Unit 6 lesson 5. So we're doing what you guys did yesterday, but you're going to show you how the calculator can do it for you too. So the other side of it, so you can use your calculator effectively. So use the following procedure to graph the solution to solution region to two variable linear inequalities. Okay. If necessary, rearrange because you want to have it in terms of y equals. So to use calculator, you have to have y by itself. That's the first thing you got to know. Okay, have y by itself. Second thing, input the boundary line of the equation to y1. So whatever that line is, put that into y1. Okay, 2x plus 3 or whatever. And then to the left of y1, I'll show you this spot. You can arrow over and you can tell it where to shade. Okay? You can tell it where to shade. It's a cool part. See this right here? Where it's like that? That's above, right? That's the greater than shading. Right here? That's the below. That's the below shading. Okay? I'll show you how to do that in a second. And then you press the graph key. Okay? Now, it's not going to go dotted or solid for you. It's just going to shade above or below. You have to know if the graph is dotted or solid. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this one here. Okay, we use the inequality of x minus y greater than 3 to illustrate the procedure above. Rearrange it so y is by itself. So we minus the x, divide by -1, so they flip the inequality. That's what's going on right there. Okay, so this right here is what's going into y1. Okay, I'll walk you through it, and then I'll do it with you so you guys have two ways to look at it. So then we do that, y1. Press enter, go to the left of the y1, so arrow over here and hit enter until you see that symbol come up. Okay, and then you hit graph. So let's take a look here. Okay, so clear, clear. Okay, if you're still trying to catch up, x minus 3 here. Then we arrow over to that line there. Below. So enter. Nope, enter. That's above, enter. That's the one I want. Hit graph. It shades the below line for me. Okay. I have a small window right now, so. Yeah. Yours is probably fine. Mine just has a small window. I'll go standard window here. I'll go. Did you click the enter part?
I think I didn't press OK. That's what happened.
So here's. Okay. Okay, any questions on that? Okay, so that's what it is for shading. Pretty neat. Calculators can do some cool things sometimes. So then when we go to this last page here, guys, so we did the notes today. It's very short. Okay. So on your own grid, sketch the solution region to the inequality with a broken boundary line represent less than. So then what you're going to do is they're just talking about just sketch that region that you just had to represent less than. This is what it looked like. So is that on your book? Oh, so it's already there. I don't know why it's asking you to sketch it again. Sketch the solution region to the inequality of the broken line. Yeah, it's already there. Okay? So that's good. So the only thing you have to be aware of, guys, is solid versus dotted line. Solid versus dotted, the calculator does the shading part for you. Okay, solid versus dotted. All right, last piece here. Okay. There we go. Okay, so we're going to do 2x plus 3y. So with both of these, this one y is by itself already, so that's good. We're going to get y by itself on this one. (3y) is less than negative 2x plus 12. Divide the 3. Y less than negative 2/3 x plus 4. Negative 2/3 x plus 4 is what I'm putting in. It's my calculator. So we can do both these now. Okay? So negative 2/3 x plus 4, and then what b is. We'll do b second here. Negative 2/3 x plus 4. Okay, so put that in. Okay, we'll look at why you didn't get that in a second. Negative 2 divided by 3 bracketed x plus 4.
Whoa.
And I want, it says less than equal to. So less than, or it says less than.
Wouldn't that just be then x plus 4?
What's that?
Would that be a type bracket?
No, because multiplication comes before addition.
Wow,
Okay, I want less than. One. So there it is. You hit enter. Yep. Okay, any other questions on that one? We'll do the parabola next. Yep, I'll pause it. I'm going to start inputting the quadratic here, finishing that sketch there. So the quadratic is going to go in here. It's already got y by itself, so that's good. So it's 2x squared minus x minus 15. Okay, and it wants greater than equal to. So I'm going to go over here and change it to greater than. Okay, there it is. Okay, so it's filled inside the parabola. I want to make my window at least down to 15, so we'll go down to 20 for y-min. And so now I can see pretty much the whole shape there. Okay. So that's all this is about. This is very short today. We are done.